Hey guys, in this video we are going to be dividing fractions using the algorithm. So this is a strategy that we think you guys are going to really like, but it's a little bit different than some of you may have done a different strategy in the past. Check this one out because it really helps with modeling and understanding a little bit more about what it means when you divide fractions. So this one, it says use the model and the algorithm to solve. So let's start with this first one. Remember, we're going to get common denominators first. So our common denominator for 4 and 2 is going to be 4. So 3/4 is going to stay the same. This is going to be times 2 and times 2. So it's going to be 2/4. Okay, so let's start with our model. We're going to draw 3/4. We're going to shade in 3. And you're going to put them in groups of 2/4. So there's one group. And then there's 1/2 of the group. So our answer is 1 and 1/2. But let me show you the algorithm. So basically, because you already got your common denominators, you just divide the numerators. So it becomes 3/2. Remember, the fraction bar means division. So change that improper fraction back to a mixed number. It goes in one time and you get 1, remember your remainder is your numerator, and 1/2. Okay, so notice the model and the algorithm work. So you're going to get common denominators, divide the numerators, and then simplify. I'm going to change this to be another color. Got to get our purple so we match. Okay, so here we go. This is a little bit different, but it is the same number. So it's 1/2 and 3/4. Remember, we wanted it to be 4 as our denominator. 3/4 stay the same. Times 2 times 2. So divide your numerators. So it's 2/3. Remember, 2/3 is just a fraction, so that's our answer of 2/3. So here we go. Let's use the algorithm. So 4/5 divided by 2/3. So the common denominator between 5 and 3, remember you're going to do your multiples, is going to be 15. So 5 times 3 is 15. 4 times 3 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. 2 times 5 is 10. Divide the numerators. 12/10. Divide it out. 1 time, 2 left over. We get 1 and 2/10, which simplifies to 1. You can divide both by 2. And 1/5. So on this one, go ahead and get a common denominator, please. Okay, so 4 and 7, our common denominator is going to be 28. 4 times 7 is going to be 21 times 4 times 4. 7 times 4 is 28. 6 times 4 is 24. Divide the numerators. It's 21/24. Since it's a fraction, not an improper, we can just simplify it. What can we divide them both by? What's our GCF? Is 3. So our answer is 7/8. Okay, go ahead and look at the next one. Go ahead and start changing them to be common denominators. Okay, so our common denominator is going to be 24. Times 4 times 4 gives me 20. Times 3 gives me 9. Divide the numerators. 20 divided by 9. 20 in the house divided by 9 goes in 2 times. With 2 left over. 2 and 2/9. The reason that we like this strategy is you're already getting common denominators for your model. So just divide the numerators. Same thing. So with mixed numbers, it's a little bit, one more step. You just need to make them improper, then get common denominators. So remember, you're gonna cartwheel around, multiply, and then add. So 4 times 2 is 8, plus 3 is 11 fourths. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7 sixths. Our common denominator is our least common denominator. You may think, oh, 24, but I would go 12 because it's smaller. So times 3 gets me 33. Times 2 is 14. 33 fourteenths. 33 divided by 14 goes in 2 times, which is 28, with 5 left over. So our answer is 2 5/14. So remember, for this one with 3, it's always 3 over 1. So you got to get a common denominator, which is 4. So 3/4 stays the same. Times 4 times 4 is 12. 12 divided by 3 gets me 4. Okay, I want you to try the next one. Go ahead and make them improper, and then get your common denominator. Okay, you're going to cartwheel around. One times 2 is 2, plus 1 is 3 over 2. Divided by 2 times 3 is 6, plus 2 is 8/3. Common denominator of 6 times 3 gets me 9. Times 2 gets me 16. And our answer is 9/16. There you go. Make sure you have this all filled in, and hope you guys have a good day.